Once upon a time, there was a small town. People lived happily, smiled, and helped each other. One sunny morning, a young boy named Sam walked to the market. He saw an elderly lady struggling with heavy grocery bags.
Can I help you carry your bags?
Oh, thank you, young man. You are very kind.
Sam helped her carry the bags to her house. Later that day, Sam went to the park to play. He felt happy inside. Helping someone felt really good. Suddenly, a stranger approached Sam.
Hello, I saw what you did for the lady. That was very kind. It's a little thank you for your kindness.
Thank you. I just wanted to help.
You see, children, kindness is very powerful. Even a small act can make someone's day better. When you help others, good things can happen to you, too. Kind words and actions always come back. So, always look for ways to help. Say kind words, share your time, and help people in need. Remember, a kind heart is stronger than any gift, and one small act of kindness can start a chain of love.